In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to deactivate a user in Salesforce. This simple yet essential task ensures that you maintain the integrity of your data while optimizing your Salesforce environment for active users. Deactivating a user may become necessary if someone no longer needs access to the system, providing better control over your Salesforce instance. Let's get started by logging into Salesforce with your administrator credentials. Once you're logged in, you should see the familiar Salesforce interface. Move your cursor to the top right corner of the screen where you'll find the gear icon. Clicking on this icon gives you access to essential setup features that help manage various aspects of your Salesforce environment. Next, from the menu that appears, you'll want to select Open Advanced Setup. Once you're in the setup area, you'll notice a handy search bar known as the Quick Find box. This feature makes it easy to navigate through Salesforce's vast setup options. Go ahead and type users into the quick find box, then select the users option from the search results. At this point, you should be able to see a list of all the users currently set up in your Salesforce instance. Browse through this list to locate the specific user you want to deactivate. There's a drop-down menu on the right side of this list for each user, providing quick access to various user management options. Once you've identified the correct user, click on the drop-down menu beside their name and choose Edit User. This selection brings up a detailed view of the user's settings and preferences, ready for you to make the necessary adjustments. Here, look for a small checkbox labeled Active. To deactivate the user, you'll need to uncheck this box. After you've unchecked the active box, it's important to save your changes. To do this, simply click on the Save button. This action officially deactivates the user, preventing them from accessing Salesforce while preserving their contributions to the system. Now, it's essential to remember that Salesforce protects its data integrity by not allowing outright user deletion. This way, audit trails remain intact and record ownership is preserved. Though the user is deactivated, their name will still appear on records they created or were associated with. Before you finalize the deactivation process, it is crucial to ensure that the user is not integrated into any workflows or assigned to any tasks that might be affected by their deactivation. Reassign or update these responsibilities accordingly. Lastly, make certain that the user has no scheduled jobs or approval processes pending, as these could impact your system's efficiency and accuracy. By following these steps, you've successfully deactivated a user in Salesforce. This proactive approach to user management helps maintain a secure and efficient Salesforce environment for you and your team. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to check out our other Salesforce tutorials for more helpful tips and tricks.